Hey, what's up guys? I'm Anuj Patel from AndroidRoots.com. We're going to go ahead and take a look at a pretty cool Xposed installer tweak mod, really whatever you want to call it, as this little mod using Xposed installer will allow you to get multi-window on your device. So this should, in theory, work with every single Android device, but it has only been tested on AOSP stock pure Android ROMs like CyanogenMod or like me, a Nexus 5 device. And it's also been tested on a MyUI ROM. But you can go ahead and test this on your LG device, HTC, Sony Xperia device. Of course, if it doesn't work, just uninstall it and then you'll be fine and good to go. But there are a couple of requirements to actually get this all working. First of all, you're going to go ahead and need to download and install this APK. And of course, I'll leave all the links and files that you need down below in the video description. So you need that APK. You'll also need to go ahead and install Xposed installer. So first install this, then install Xposed installer, and third is that you do need root access to make this all work. So I hope you got all those three requirements. Rooting is probably the longest of the three. As long as you got all those three requirements good to go, you'll be all set. So here's the application I already went and installed and enabled within Xposed installer. So right in here, you got instructions. So if you don't know what to do, there you go. You also have about right there. So there you go. So right here, you can go ahead and tap on open sidebar and it will go ahead and launch the multi-window. But before we go and do that, we're gonna go ahead and go into sidebar settings, sidebar app settings right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and pick and choose which applications we want it to be enabled, if we ever do want it to be enabled for multi-window. I went ahead and pre-selected them. Of course, tap on the X if you want to remove it. So you can add all the applications if you do want to. I probably take a while if you have a lot of apps like me, but you can go ahead and do that if you want. But let's say like me, I use Chrome a lot, and then let's say if we go ahead and find YouTube, we might not be able to, as this is a long list. Let's go ahead and say, for example, Google Play Movies and TV. Let's say you go on Chrome a lot and you like watching videos a lot. You can go ahead and do both of those applications at the same time with this multi-window mod. So we can go ahead and do that, and you can also change the width of it. I did it to 137, which is pretty reasonable. It's not too much in the way of the screen, so that's fine. So now we're gonna go ahead and tap on Open Sidebar. Go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right from the edge of the screen, just like that, and actually go ahead and show you all the applications that you already added within the set XMultiWindow settings, and then you can go ahead and pick and choose which ones you do want. So let's say, for example, I want File Manager at the top, so we're gonna go tap on File Manager, and it says add to up workspace or add to down workspace. So up is at the top of the screen, down is at the bottom of the screen. We'll go ahead and tap on up workspace, and then we'll go ahead and tap on Chrome, for example, and tap on down workspace right there. And there you go. And to remove this bar, the only way I found out to actually remove it is go into the notification center and then tap on this, and then actually be removed. So that's the only way I found out. It could be improved a little bit, as this mod, this improvement tweak for your device is still kind of in beta, so there is going to be improvements down the line, so no need to worry about that, but it's still functional easily. And you can also do landscape. Sometimes landscape does work. I think it's certain applications landscape will work. Let's see if we try it this way. So yeah, the landscape doesn't seem to be working right now. But as you can see, everything is work for both of them. I can go ahead and go through File Manager right here, go ahead and type on anything. So let's say for Engadget, and the keyboard does launch easily. So you'll be good to go on that. We can go tap on up right there. You can go ahead and tap on Goo Manager, for example, right there. Both options do work. I'm gonna go and tap on that, options right there, and then you got options right there as well. So it does work really well. There hasn't been any crashing. All the applications I personally tried have been working without a hitch. So there you guys go. That is XMultiWindow for basically any Android device, but it's been tested on CyanogenMod and a pure Android device and MyUI and all that type of stuff. But do try it out on your Android device. Let me know if it goes well with your device, and let me know what device you actually be using. And if you're on a custom ROM, let me know what custom ROM you are on. But that is it for this video. Link is down below where you can go ahead and grab all the APK files for your phone to go ahead and get multi-window just like a Samsung device, a TouchWiz Samsung device like a Galaxy S4 or S3 right there. But that's it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe in the bottom left hand corner right there. APK links are down below, and make sure you are rooted before you actually do it and go and try this. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+, which is also located down below in the video description. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.